Welcome to Tech Vibes. Listen carefully. If your smart TV shows no signal, most of the time the TV is healthy. The problem is input selection or signal handshake. I am explaining this like a field technician, step by step. Your TV is not dead. The panel is not faulty. Before calling a service center, fix this no signal issue yourself in 2 minutes. First step. Check the TV screen message carefully. If it says no signal, not connected, or check input, that means the TV is powered on, but it is not receiving video data from the source device. Second step. Pick up the original TV remote, press the input or source button. Some remotes say source, some say input. A list will appear: HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, AV, TV, and sometimes PC. Select the exact HDMI port where your device is connected. If your cable is an HDMI 2, you must select HDMI 2. Wrong input selection is the #1 cause of no signal. Third step. Now check the external device. This can be a set-top box, PlayStation 5, Xbox, laptop, or Android box. Make sure the device power light is on. If the device is in sleep mode, the TV will show no signal. Power it on fully. Fourth step. Inspect the HDMI cable physically. Remove the cable from both TV and device. Reinsert it firmly. Loose HDMI connection causes signal drop. If possible, test with another HDMI cable. Many cheap cables fail internally, but look fine outside. Fifth step. Change HDMI port on the TV. Plug the same cable into a different HDMI port. Then select that new input from the remote. Sometimes one HDMI port gets disabled by software glitch. Sixth step. Power reset. This is very important. Turn off the TV. Unplug the power cable from wall socket. Unplug the external device also. Wait exactly 60 seconds. This clears HDMI handshake cache. Plug everything back. Turn on the TV first, then turn on the device. Seventh step. For laptop users, press Windows key plus P. Select duplicate or extend. Many laptops default to internal screen only, causing no signal on TV. Eighth step. Check resolution compatibility. Older TVs cannot display 4K at 120 Hz. If you connected a gaming console, boot it in safe mode and set resolution to 1080p at 60 Hz. Ninth step. Update TV software if menu is accessible. Go to Settings, Support, Software Update, connect to Wi-Fi, stable network, preferably 2.4 GHz. Outdated firmware can break HDMI detection. Final note. If the TV shows no signal on all inputs, even with known working devices and cables, then suspect mainboard HDMI IC fault. But this is rare. This is Tech Vibes. Like, subscribe, and always check input before replacing parts.